Hello. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to one of Korea's seasonal delights. Flower crab ㅎㅎ기, which is at its best in the spring and fall. In Korea, flower crabs are in season from March to May in the spring, and from September to November in the fall. During these times, the crabs are packed with sweet, firm meat, making them ideal for traditional dishes like flour crab stew ㅎㅎgatang and steamed female crab 암꽃게로, which we'll explore in detail today. But before that, let's take a quick look at different types of crabs and how they're prepared around the world. Types of crabs around the world and cooking methods. Ocean crabs. 1. King crab found in Alaska and Russia. These massive crabs are often steamed or grilled. Their large, firm legs have a naturally sweet flavor that pairs perfectly with butter. 2. Blue crab common along the U.S. East Coast. These crabs are usually steamed. The meat is soft and sweet, and in Maryland, they're famous when seasoned with Old Bay. 3. Dungeness crab native to the U.S. West Coast. This crab has a rich, sweet taste and tender meat, often steamed or used in soups and even crab cakes. 4. Flower crab blue swimmer crab found in Korea and Southeast Asia. This crab is widely used in dishes like spicy stews and soy-marinated crab. Freshwater crabs. 1. Chinese midden crab, a prized delicacy in China. These freshwater crabs are often steamed. Their rich roe and creamy innards make them a gourmet favorite. 2. Soft shell crab popular in the U.S. South and Southeast Asia. These crabs are eaten whole, usually deep fried or used in sandwiches. Popular crab dishes worldwide. Dungeness crab steamed. Known for its naturally sweet and tender meat, Dungeness crab is best enjoyed steamed, sometimes paired with lemon butter. Singapore chili crab, spicy, sweet, and full of umami. This dish features large crabs cooked in a thick chili tomato sauce, perfect with a side of bread. Chinese steamed midden crab, known for its rich roe. This crab is steamed and served with a dipping sauce, allowing the natural flavors to shine. Thai poo pad pong curry, a creamy and flavorful curry featuring crab cooked with coconut milk. It's a rich and fragrant dish from Thailand. Korean flower crab dishes. Now, let's dive into Korea's most famous crab, flower crab. This crab, known for its sweet, firm flesh, is incredibly popular in Korean cuisine, particularly during its peak seasons. Flower crab stew ㅎㅎgatang. Flower crab stew is a hearty, spicy soup made with fresh crabs, chili powder, soybean paste, garlic, and other seasonings. The broth is both spicy and savory, combining the rich flavors of the crab with vegetables like tofu, radish, and water parsley. It's a perfect dish to enjoy with rice, especially during the colder months when you crave something warm and comforting. The crabs in the stew are tender, and their natural sweetness balances the spicy broth perfectly. Steamed female flower crab 암꽃게로. This dish highlights the unique flavor of the female flower crab, particularly prized for its rich roe and creamy innards. The crab is lightly steamed to retain its natural sweetness and tender texture. The roe adds a depth of flavor, making every bite rich and satisfying. You can eat the crab meat as is, or mix the roe with rice for a creamy, savory bite that's truly luxurious. The taste of flower crab. Flower crab has a delicate sweetness, with firm, juicy meat that holds up well in soups or when steamed. In flower crab stew, the crab infuses the broth with a savory depth, while the spicy kick of the soup enhances the natural flavors of the crab. On the other hand, steamed female crab offers a more subtle experience, where the natural sweetness of the crab meat and the rich, creamy roe are the stars of the show. Korean flower crab is truly a delicacy, standing tall among the world's great crab dishes. If you ever have the chance to visit Korea during the crab season, make sure to try ㅎㅎgatang and 암꽃게로 for a taste of the ocean's finest.